Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a very long time since I've ridden somewhere and uploaded a vlog. So I thought let me do it today. Today we are riding to a place named Lepakshi. It's a historic place and there are 4 or 5 places inside Lepakshi which we could see, and I hope I'll cover everything because the time is already 2 p.m. and I'm not sure whether I'll reach there in time, whether all the historic places will be open till then. So let's hope for the best, fingers crossed. I hope you enjoyed the vlog guys. Catch you guys on the bike.
Hey guys, we are back on the road. So the time is currently 2:21 p.m. and we'll be heading to Lepakshi. So it's around 121 kilometers from here. I've geared up and I've bought the top box too with me to keep all my devices. Currently it's sunny. Till now it was too dull, but currently it's sunny. I don't know why the climate has changed suddenly, and right now I'm sweating inside my jacket like a pig already. We'll be fueling up tequila. Let's see how much time will it take from here. I hope it will take 2 hours, and I have to go in the normal airport route of Bangalore, crossing Nandi Hills. I have currently 1/4 tank of fuel, so let me do it a full tank. I don't know like nowadays how much she's drinking. I didn't check the mileage currently, so I have to. So first time I am taking my top box out with the vinyl. I hope it's good. And here is our restaurant for tequila. Let's feed her good. $95 ilva. Unfortunately there is no 95 fuel, and I'm thinking where to put it up, fuel it up. I don't know where is Indian Oil bunk after this. Let me check it out and catch you guys back. Hey guys, we are done fueling now, and currently the climate is dull again. The sunniness is gone, so let's hope it will be like this, a cool breezy climate. என்னடா பண்ற ஐயோ, என்ன பிரச்சனைன்னு தெரியல இவங்களோடதெல்லாம். சடனாக குறுக்க வந்து நம்ம தலை வாங்குவாங்க. அடிச்சா ஐயோ டப்பா என்கிட்ட கத்துறது. They have made this small intersection here, and I seriously don't know why did they do this. Because of this the traffic is more. Before it was just open, so everyone just went however they want inside, and the traffic was also less. But now see the traffic, it's like this is normal, this is nothing actually. There will be more traffic over here always. I don't like to actually close the visor while riding, because I feel so suffocated because of it. So, and my coolers are behind in the top box. I have to stop somewhere and get it out, take it out. And nowadays I'm observing that this part is vibrating too much. I'm not sure why it is. I guess I need to get the screws tightened. Oh, there is a bit amount of traffic in the front. Woohoo! Finally, so excited that I'm going on a ride somewhere. It's been a very long time, but I used to take my bike. I used to go here and there inside Bangalore, but not in the outskirts. My last ride was to the museum, the Paina Museum. I guess you guys will be seeing the vlog previously. So that was my last a bit of long ride. So after that I didn't go anywhere. I have plans in the coming future. I want to ride to Pune and also Kanyakumari. So fingers crossed, let's hope I'll go soon and show you guys all the places over there. Hey guys, here's an update. I came here near the airport road and suddenly it started drizzling. That's why good that I got my rain gears. Good that I got my rain gears and it stopped drizzling again after wearing the rain gear. And it's a bit sunny ahead. Let's see how much time it takes to reach. Hey guys, so now I've taken a small diversion from the national highway. So from here Lepakshi is around 16 kilometers and it's showing 16 minutes to reach over there. The time is currently 4:10 p.m. and I guess I'll be able to cover few places. I'm not sure what's the closing time of all the places. It may be around 5 or 5:30 p.m. as other cities or towns. So let's hope we would be able to cover everything. I'm a bit hungry too. I didn't have much of a lunch. I just had a brunch. Let's see, while going back or in Lepakshi I'll have my lunch. And the climate is breezy, windy, and it's a perfect climate to ride. It's seriously awesome! Hey, here these dogs. I'm scared of these dogs only. They suddenly come in between when you're going in the speed. And here it's very dark actually. I'm not sure if it will rain or not. And I guess that's it, it is raining. See this, it's full of green and I guess it's raining over there. The landscape over here is totally changed. It's full of greenery, trees, and it's seriously awesome. You see that? That is the eagle over there. That's the famous eagle statue which is in Lepakshi. And the first one is in Kerala, the Jatayu statue. So let's go and see from nearby, and there is a famous temple too. I don't know whether they'll allow now as it's already time. Sir, temple elide? Straight na? Oh, thank you.
Hey guys, at this point unfortunately I forgot to disconnect the mic adapter from the GoPro, so none of the audio is captured. That's why I'm giving a voice overlay now. I'll explain all the things I've shown in the video. This temple which you're seeing is the famous Veerabhadra temple which is in Lepakshi, and it's one of the main attractions of Lepakshi. The temple is dedicated to the Veerabhadra, a fierce form of Lord Shiva. It's built in the 16th century, that is 1530 AD, with lots of paintings and carvings in almost all the exposed surfaces of the temple. According to the Skanda Purana, the temple is one of the Divya Kshetras. It means an important pilgrimage site of Lord Shiva. The temple is built in Vijayanagara architectural style. So all the paintings over here are of the same architectural style. This pillar is one of the attractions of this temple, which is called the hanging pillar.
There is a gap between the base of the pillar and the ground through which a cloth or a paper can be passed. As I had mentioned earlier, there are paintings in the ceiling of this temple. The paintings in each bay on the ceiling depicts the grandeur of Vijayanagara pictorial art. The color scheme consists of vegetable and mineral colors of yellow, ochre, black, blue and green blended with lime water. The background is generally painted in red color. On the right side of this temple, there is this beautiful view which is like mesmerizing. The architectural styles and the pillars which you can see over there, it's really truly awesome, guys. And now heading out from the left side of the temple, I just saw a small cave kind of structure where there were no idols, but many people had lightened diyas over there. So I'm not sure what was going on or what is it for. And this is another famous attraction of this temple, which is the headed serpents covering the Shivling. So it's a beautiful sculpture. It was very big, tall, and it's a mesmerizing scene. Just look at the beautiness of this temple, guys. Just wow. I don't know how many years they took to build this, but each and every pillar was carved properly in a beautiful manner. And just beside, in the right side of the Shivling, I found this beautiful sculpture or idol of Lord Ganesha. It was actually huge. I don't know whether the GoPro is doing justice. So it's really beautiful, guys. The way they have carved it, it's really awesome. And you can see these pillars over here. It's built in a parallel manner. It's so surprising to see how the ancient people built it in a correct parallel manner without any measuring scales or any sorts of measuring instruments. Just look at this beautiness, guys. The weather, the climate over there, the temperature, and the architectural style of this temple. It was so mesmerizing to the eyes, and I felt like so warm, comfortable over there. And there was a tree in the middle, which I'm not sure what it was. It was just a beautiful tree with all greens on it. And unfortunately, it started drizzling a bit, and the weather got worse moving forward. But it was seriously a beautiful vibe, a positive vibe over there. When I came to the left corner of the temple, I crashed into this beautiful scene where there were scriptures written on the rocks. I don't know whether you are able to see it, but there were many scriptures written on the rock and even on the walls too. On this side of the wall, the whole wall is covered with scriptures, and I don't know in which language it was written. So, and they had not mentioned anything over there. There were no proper information on what it was. At this point, coming out of the temple, I was stranded by the rain. It was raining cats and dogs. So I was not sure whether I can visit other two places, which is the Nandi and the Jatayu statue. The time was already 5:30, I hope so. So I was just waiting for the rain to stop, but unfortunately not. So I had to like cancel it, and it was already past 6 p.m. So all the places, all the tourist places in Lepakshi closes at 6 p.m. So I had to leave to Bangalore. Hey guys, here is an update. So it was raining cats and dogs, and I literally had to wear all my riding gears on the way to Bangalore. And I'm not sure if you're able to hear because I'm just close by to the highway. So it's been a flop ride actually. After the temple I didn't go anywhere else. There are 2 other places to visit in Lepakshi. Maybe next time I'll show you those. Yeah, let's go inside this restaurant. I felt this restaurant is very awesome. Came to this restaurant and the food is really good, you know. I ordered a egg roll, chicken roll and chicken popcorn too. And this chicken soup is really delicious. I'll tag down the location in the description, just check it out. Hey guys, I'm leaving now, I'm finally done. The restaurant is pretty good over there and there too. So the food is also awesome, you could check it out if you come in this route. From here I guess it will take around half an hour. So let's hope I reach soon because the time is already 8:30 PM and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the road. Hey guys, finally I've reached my area. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Soon I will put another vlog, maybe to Chennai or to Pune. Until then, enjoy your life guys. There's only one life. Enjoy it to the core. This is Sachin signing off as of now.